Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the OtterBox Defender Pro XT with MagSafe for the 16 Pro. I need to give them a shout out for actually sending these cases to me for a review. Like we normally do in our reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit? Does it have bulk? How is the camera button cut out? We'll also check out the magnet, see how strong it is. Can you wireless charge with it? Just the normal things you look in a case video for. But let's get into it. Bam. Nice packaging from them. It says drop tested. Dual layer. Lock the phone in for safety. Rubber edges for greater grip. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's see what you get in the box. So it's a two-piece case. It gives you instructions. It also tells you if you want a free belt clip, how to do it. I don't like the belt clip. But here's the case itself. It is clear, so it's going to show off the beauty, plus some fingerprints. But you need to take this case apart, so what you do is you just want to kind of take the rubber, and there's a plastic little piece around here, and you kind of just work that out without breaking it. But look at that camera cutout again. Then what you want to do, remove the plastic, put your phone in the back part of that. And then you kind of just work the rubber and the plastic back around, making sure it's all snapped in place. It goes in there pretty easily. Not too horrible. But around the edges and the corners, you may have to do some work. But there you go. It's in there. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You can see there. You also look at the lip protection you get from the top and the bottom. So if you place this down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. So it's not touching the table or anything. Bam. Everything lines up at the bottom there. You have a little flap for the charging port. Bam. I love the grip on the sides. I love the grip. Gives you grip, but it shows off the beauty or the non-beauty of this color here. I do like how it has the grip on there. Shows off the beauty of your phone. Power button is nice and tactile. The vine rockers are nice and easy to press. Not too bad. The action button works. Now, look at the camera cutout. Camera button cutout. So you still have that little play there. You do have a lot of room. And it does work. But, I mean, look at it. You have this beautiful thing here. And then you have that big hole. I don't know what y'all think about it. Does it add bulk? It does add some. It adds a lot of bulk to your phone, as you can tell. But it fits good because your phone is not coming out. If you drop it, you don't have to worry about your phone popping out the case at all. And like I said, it gives you grip everywhere you grab it. Do y'all like these little flaps? Not a big fan of them, but it's there. How strong is this magnet? How strong do you think it is? You can wireless charge. The magnet is strong, but definitely not the strongest. So if you have a heavy battery pack, it may have problems, but besides that, it shouldn't fall off. It's definitely not one of the strongest, but not one of the weakest either. So even if I have my little clip here, it takes a little bit to get it off. So, but I do like how it shows off the beauty of your phone. I love the grip on there. So this one checks off some of the boxes again. The buttons feel great on there. Everything lines up. You get the lip protection all the way around. You get that camera protection. It shows off the beauty. The only complaint I have with the OtterBox cases this year is how they did the camera button there. I don't know, maybe redesign it. It's not horrible, but definitely make it smaller, I guess, maybe too. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Overall, I do enjoy this case. Definitely has a lot going for it. But if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.